Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Visual C++ on your Windows 11 computer. Let's head over to my screen so that I can show you step by step how this is done. Let's go. Alright guys, so on my desktop here, the first thing that you want to do is hit the start button on your taskbar and type add, and you will see add or remove programs. Go ahead and click on that. And you can either type in the search bar Visual and you will see Microsoft Visual C++, or you can simply scroll down in the list and you will see if you have the Microsoft Visual C++ installed. If for some reason you don't have it installed, no problem. Here's how you can go ahead and install that. In the description of this video, you will see a link. You simply want to click on that link and it will take you to this page right here. Now if you scroll down, you will see the architectures. There are 3 of them. And in order to know which one your computer supports, just simply click the start button on your Windows taskbar and type in systems and you will see system info. Click on that, and here on the system type you can see that mine is a x64 based PC. So right then you will know which one of the options to download. So to download it, all you have to do is just simply click on it and it will download it for you. And you just have to go ahead and run this application. So all you have to do is just simply agree to the terms and condition there, hit install, and this will go ahead and install the application for you. Now once this is done download guys, it will prompt you to restart your computer. So all you have to do, go ahead, hit the restart button to restart your computer, and you will have Microsoft Visual C++ install on your Windows computer. Now guys, I really hope that you found some value within this easy tutorial, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week just like this one. See you next time.